Hey everyone, Ian Davis Emrys here. I'm a salon owner and educator and I specialise in haircutting. So today, what am I going to be doing? Well, I'm going to be doing a on-trend wolf cut which takes 5 minutes. So when I say 5 minutes, it's basically 2 ponytail sections that I'm going to take, and I'm going to do the fundamental technique and shape of the wolf cut, which is like a big trend blowing up right now, okay? So I'm going to use these, my faithful thinning shears. I love these. They're just going to add more texture, more softness to the lines, and I'm just going to show you the fundamental technique on why. So pulling my mannequin head, here we go, and then I'm just going to show you these my front section. I'm just do a little measure because I want to get it balanced. I want to get it shape, and I want to remember I've got to make these kind of connect, these two far away ponytails. So I'm just take a little measure about halfway in my comb, and then I'm going to elevate. Now there's 2 ways you can do it. If I want it really heavy, I'm going to go flat. If I want a bit more lightness, then I'm going to come in and go on a vertical. And I'm going to use the vertical because I want to create more of a layered, softer edge, and that's going to give us softness in the technique. And then later on, I'm going to do a full-on video to show you step by step how to do it technically as a salon stylist and right as you do as a technical educator. But this is the fundamentals of how you pull it forward, the areas you're going to put in through with the static guideline, and then let's get started and get into it, okay? I bet you are waiting. So I'm just elevating, checking my length. Yep, still in the same area. And I'm just going to work my thinning shears in and out. It's quite thick, but I'm going to create the softness with it. And that's off. Pretty cool. Even with this, I don't want to get too much over direction, but I've already got like real soft edge to it. That's going to look really cool. Then I want balance. So the balance at the top, I'm going to use my comb again, put it in, and this time I'm going to take it slightly longer. So I know where my cutting line is going to be, so I may aim in slightly longer on my comb, about maybe half a dozen of the comb teeth. Then I'm going to pick this up, come this way, hold it up. I know I'm in here, slightly forward, still using the layer, use my thinners, let them create the texture, get the last little bits. Such a revelation. And there's my 2 ponies. Take them out, get rid of that. Let's get this away. Let's give us a little shake. Let's pull it up. And then we get this really fundamental shape, and you can still see I've retained all the length but made it really textured and layered through here, and we've still got this really nice soft round bevel shape on the top. And when we blow dry this, it gives you weight, movement. Look at this shape. That's incredible, right? Still keeping the length, and then we just take off the bottom of the length just to make a nice square line, and you're done, and that's it. But it's a simple, quick, easy technique to remember to bring all of the sections forward. So you cut into one static point, take it off. I use the thinning shear because that's what's going to make it soft. Then making the connection by measuring for the top, and then taking the connection slightly longer so we can leave a longer fall and let this round shape fit into the nape of the neck and leaving this long, shaggy look. It's a really cool little haircut. Oh wow, look at that shape. Look, can you see? Bevel edge around here. Look at this fitted point here. Oh gosh, I'm coming around here. I want to show you. Look, fits in, lots of weight and movement, leaving the long lengths, and that's a beautiful little wolf cut. Don't forget, over direct towards the front, cut upwards and out, give it more softness and shape, and then connect to the top exactly the same way. And there she is. Wolf cut, 5 minutes, all done. Enjoy.